In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Figma plugins. Figma plugins are incredibly useful tools that enhance your design workflow. But sometimes you might find yourself with a growing collection you no longer need or use. Regularly cleaning out unused plugins can help keep your Figma experience streamlined and efficient, ensuring faster loading times and a less cluttered interface. Let's walk through the simple and straightforward steps to remove them from your account. To begin, navigate to any design file within Figma. You can do this on your canvas or within a specific frame you're working on. Once you're comfortably in your design workspace, simply right-click anywhere on the empty canvas. This action will bring up a contextual menu with various options related to your design environment. In this menu, look for the Plugins option. Hover your mouse cursor over it, and you'll immediately see a submenu appear. This submenu is your initial gateway to accessing and managing all your installed plugins. From the submenu that appears after hovering over Plugins, you'll notice a list of your most recently used plugins displayed at the top. Below these recent items, you'll find an important option labeled Manage Plugins. This is exactly where we need to go to get a comprehensive overview and complete control over every single plugin you currently have installed, not just the ones you've interacted with recently. Go ahead and click on Manage Plugins. This action will open a dedicated plugin management window, which will provide a full list of every plugin linked to your Figma account. Now that you're in the Manage Plugins window, take a moment to scroll through the list and identify the specific plugin or plugins you wish to remove. Each plugin listed will be accompanied by its name and icon. Crucially, to the right of each plugin's name, you'll see a small icon resembling 3 horizontal or vertical dots. This icon is commonly referred to as an ellipsis or a More Options menu. This is what you need to click to access actions specific to that individual plugin. Click on this 3-dotted icon next to the particular plugin you intend to uninstall. This will reveal a small drop-down menu with further actions. After clicking the 3-dotted icon, a short drop-down menu will appear, typically presenting options such as View Details or Remove. To proceed with uninstalling the plugin, simply click on the Remove option within this menu. Figma will then process your request, and the plugin will be instantly uninstalled from your account, disappearing from your list. It's a quick and clean process, helping to ensure that only the tools you actively use remain. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a plugin from Figma, helping to keep your workspace tidy, optimized, and free from unnecessary clutter. You can repeat these steps for any other plugins you wish to remove. Thanks for watching.